Hello everyone, my name is Raj Kapadia and I am part of the Effort to Day Trading team. So for this video, it's just a quick overview of what the MACD is, or the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is a trend confirmation indicator tool, and it's basically used to confirm what type of trend there is in the market alongside with any other indicator that you are using. So for example, if the Bollinger Band is the primary indicator tool you're using, the MACD acts as a second opinion or gives a second opinion of what's happening during a specific time period. So the MACD is calculated using the exponential moving average, or the EMA. The exponential moving average is similar to the simple moving average. However, the EMA is more focused on the recent price changes, and you'll see the average, or you'll see the line change accordingly. So the MACD is calculated using the difference between the 26 EMA period and the 12 EMA period. That gives you the MACD line. The MACD on its own is basically a histogram. It's represented as a histogram. Now, in order to get the histogram, it's taking the difference of the MACD line and the 9 SMA, 9-period SMA line. So I know this is a bit confusing in terms of visualizing it. So I'll hop on to the MetaTrader application right now. And if you want to, you can open it up yourself and try to make these changes or follow along. So once you have this open, go to File, open a new chart, and select the currency pair that you want to work with. In my case, it's Euro to USD. So as of right now, it's represented as a normal chart. It has nothing. I'm going to change it to a candle chart just for better visualization. And you should deselect this because it will just keep scrolling to the right every time you try to scroll to the left. So once you have that going, go to Insert, go to Indicators. This is an oscillator. So under Oscillators, select MACD. Now it will open up a window where you can customize the parameters. As you can see, the fast EMA we've set is to 12. The slow EMA is set to 26, and this is the 9-period SMA I was talking about. Here you can customize the colors, and you can apply it to any part in the market. So press OK, and this will open up a separate window. So once you have this in play, I'll actually tell you what exactly, how can you use the MACD to analyze the market. So just looking at this right now. So the MACD is, here's the histogram. That's the difference of the, basically the difference between the MACD line. And the MACD line, as I mentioned, is the 26 EMA minus the 12 EMA. So the MACD line minus the signal line, which is this 9-period SMA dotted line. So this gives you the histogram, and you have a zero line, or the baseline. And using the slope and basically where the MACD value lies, you can determine what type of trend there is in the market. So as you can see right now, let's look at the negative value. There's a negative slope, and the MACD has the MACD value is below the zero line, basically saying that there's a downtrend. And you can see it right in the chart itself. You can see that the price has been going down. Similarly, let's take a good point where the MACD value is high. Right here would be good. So as you can see, the MACD value is above zero, and it's a very positive slope. So that indicates an uptrend, and you can see that it reflects in the chart itself. It's going from this point right here to this point all the way. So that is basically one way of analyzing the market using the MACD. There are multiple patterns. The one I used is it's called the crossover signal. The zero, basically when the MACD crosses the zero line. And with that, you can just determine what type of trend there is in the market. So yeah, that's the MACD for you, and thank you.